Okay, sorry guys, it's a little bit glitchy. So, okay, let's start. So this start first. What is Pikachu? And Pikachu, Staryu, Onix, Weedle, Machop, what is it? Metapod, DST, Devolution Spray, Double Colorless Energy, and Machamp Break! Oh, and last card is a Beedrill. Machamp Break!
Is it EX?
No, it's not EX, but Machamp Break. That's
And of course,
great.
Beedrill.
Machamp Break.
You bring a whole collection of the...
Yeah, I'll be right back.
yours.
Okay,
Now it's my turn. I'm gonna open the right packet.
okay, let me open it because you don't know how to open it. So let's see, oh wow, that's the last. Okay, I will do the trick, the Pokemon trick first. We put reverse hollow to the back. Let's come back.
Do I show from here?
Yes.
Okay. So first I have Diglett.
So
And then next one I have Seal.
okay.
And then Nidoran. Ponyta,
okay.
Doduo, which is a different
Doduo.
stuff. And a Trainer Maintenance.
Wait, do it, okay.
And a Coughling.
Coughing, okay.
He's coughing. Trainer
Coughing.
Professor Oak.
And
Zapdos, which is the first one.
no, reverse hollow Zapdos, man.
Okay.
That's okay. That's great.
Okay, and of course, Arcanine.
Look at that, reverse hollow Zapdos. And look
It's
at
kind of like some bird from Monster something.
yeah, okay. Now take your cards. Now my turn to open my another Venusaur pack. Let's open it. Oh my god, okay, let's put the trick shot here. If you want to see the cards, I will do it at the end of the part 1. 3, put the reverse hollow back to the back. First off, Entangler, a Poliwag, a Seal,
Shagor.
a Magikarp,
Energy.
electric energy card, a flying Pikachu, a secret rare, spam, a Haunter, what is it? Okay,
Ooh, my one's
spam,
interesting.
a maintenance trainer card,
I sent you big.
reverse hollow Tangela, and the last card is a Farfetch.
So I'm gonna be opening another right tree. So I reopen
Okay, let me do the card
the
trick.
cut trick.
You don't even open it correctly. Gosh.
What the?
Okay, put it up here. Put it.
So I have this.
Okay. First off.
First off, I have Charmander. Next one I have Diglett. Drop from the bag.
Yes, just put it in front. Put it in front. Just put it in front.
I have Duo, which I got just now, and then I have Diglett, and I have Drowsy.
Okay.
Yeah, and Caterpie.
Caterpie.
Okay, never mind. Trainer PJ Spearling.
Oh, Pidgeot, Spearling,
Metapod.
Metapod.
Drowsy.
Reverse hollow Drowsy.
Reverse
Okay, now
Drowsy.
that's
And
good.
the last one
It's
Zapdos.
another Zapdos.
Non-reverse hollow.
He's a little bit hollow, I guess. But it's okay.
so.
Yeah, it's a little bit hollow.
Okay.
So yeah.
On this part.
So yeah.
So that was the opening. So tell us which one is your favorite.
The first one.
Maybe the ones that are the same. I will finish.
The first 4 packs that we opened have. Where's the Machamp Break?
What do you mean with Shadowbreak?
The one I
one is already this thick because we combined two bags. Now I think it's gonna be very good. You want to open the rest?
No.
Or you want to
Okay,
open one
that's all
more?
for this. Yeah, no need. That's all for this time. If you enjoyed this video,
Please give it a like.
comment. This is the part 1. Later we will make another video of part 2. So stay tuned and we'll see you next time. See you guys.